I've got the scoop on Amazon's coolest car gadgets for 2025 that you won't find anywhere else. From smart sensors to futuristic lights, let's dive into the top. Hit play and join me. Masol Solar Tire Pressure Monitoring System emerges as a reliable vehicle safety device. It comprises a compact monitor powered by advanced solar lithium panels and a USB charging cable. The system includes 4 pre-programmed sensors with CR132 batteries for tire data collection. It is installed by screwing sensors onto tire valves and mounting the monitor on the windshield, staying secure during drives. Operation is intuitive, managed via an auto-sleep conscious wake display with selectable PSI bar and DGC-DGF units. The monitor maintains a slim profile, unobtrusive on dashboards. It tracks real-time pressure and temperature with 6 alarm modes, auto-setting alerts at plus to 25%, pump alone 15% of reference pressure. The system fits sedans, SUVs, MPVs, vans, pickups, and RVs under 38F, requiring a signal booster for longer trailers. Pulidiki Cleaning Gel for car detailing emerges as a handy interior cleaning tool. It comprises a reusable putty made from high-quality, moderately sticky materials. The gel is applied by kneading and pressing into crevices for dust removal. It is used by pushing onto surfaces and pulling slowly, staying effective without residue. Operation is intuitive, managed by hand kneading and pressing. The putty maintains a pliable profile, unobtrusive in tight spaces. Its mild, pleasant odor and non-sticky formula extract debris from vents, dashboards, and keyboards. The cleaning range spans car interiors, laptops, and office desks, reusable until darkened. The gel suits vehicles and household surfaces stored in a jar below 104 degrees. Carmtech Camper Leveler emerges as a precise RV leveling solution. It comprises a set of polymer levelers equipped with a patented anti-slip joining system. The levelers are designed with grip channels and chalk notches for secure alignment. They are placed under trailer tires, holding firm despite vehicle weight. Operation is intuitive, managed by positioning levelers to adjust heights from 1.2 to 4 Mars. Each leveler maintains a compact profile, unobtrusive beneath tires. The high-performance polymer supports up to $35,000 lbs and 32 tire diameters, ensuring durability. The leveling range spans single or dual-axle trailers with trimming for tight axles. The system fits RVs and trailers, offering lifetime warranty and trimming instructions. Ford Bronco Interior Cover Set emerges as a tailored vehicle protection solution. It comprises a multi-piece kit crafted from sturdy TPE material. The set includes 3 floor mats, 4 seat back covers, 1 cargo liner, and 1 lower trunk storage mat designed for secure fitment. It is installed by aligning mats and covers with the vehicle's interior holding firm during use. Application is intuitive, managed by placing each piece in designated areas. The kit maintains a sleek profile, unobtrusive within the cabin. Its waterproof, stain-resistant surface protects against spills, dirt, and grime, enhancing the interior's look. The coverage spans the floor seats and cargo area, offering all-weather durability. The set fits Ford Bronco 4-door 2021-2025, excluding Bronco Sport. Amazon Basics 27-piece magnetic ratchet wrench set emerges as a versatile fastening toolkit. It comprises a ratchet driver crafted from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with a corrosion-resistant finish. The set includes 26 bits and sockets secured in a plastic storage case for organization. It is operated by inserting bits or sockets into the driver, maintaining stability during use. Control is intuitive, managed via 3 settings: clockwise, counterclockwise, and locked. The driver maintains a compact 6.8 x 3.7 x 1.3-inch profile, unobtrusive in tight spaces. Its T-shaped, non-slip handle and free-spinning base enhance torque and comfort. The fastening range spans nuts from 532 to 1532-inch, ideal for appliances like air conditioners and TVs. The set suits home and appliance repairs, backed by a 1-year warranty. Headrest hooks for car emerge as a practical in-car storage solution. They comprise a pair of hooks crafted from durable nylon fabric straps with sturdy metal cores. The hooks are secured by looping around the headrest posts for firm attachment. They are installed by slipping onto the headrest in seconds, holding steady during drives. Operation is intuitive, managed by hanging items like purses or bags. Each hook maintains a slim profile, unobtrusive in the vehicle's cabin. Its wide design prevents strap damage and keeps bags from spilling during sudden stops, enhancing organization. The storage range spans groceries, handbags, and jackets, keeping items within reach. The hooks fit most car headrests with a 3-year support guarantee. WARSUN Rechargeable COB work light shines as a robust portable illuminator. It comprises a single unit powered by a 3600 mAh rechargeable battery with a durable aluminum alloy body. The light is equipped with a USB charging port and a strong magnet for secure attachment. It is mounted by adhering to metallic surfaces or hanging via a built-in hook, staying stable during use. Operation is intuitive, managed through a single button, toggling 3 brightness modes: high, medium, low. The unit maintains a compact profile, unobtrusive in various settings. Its 1200 LM COB LED provides versatile lighting, drop-resistant up to 4.9 MFs. The illumination range spans car repairs, camping, fishing, and emergency roadside tasks with a 1-year warranty. SoCare Car Aromatherapy Diffuser emerges as a compact scent enhancer. It comprises a petite unit crafted from durable plastic with a water reservoir. The diffuser is powered by a USB 3.0 cable with a cord wrap organizer for tidy storage. It is placed in a car cup holder or on a desk, staying stable during use. Operation is intuitive, managed via dual power buttons on the cable and base. The unit maintains a slim profile, unobtrusive in vehicles or workspaces. Its ultrasonic vibrations release a steady mist, adding humidity and persistent essential oil scents. The diffusion range spans cars, offices, and nightstands with color-changing lights and auto shutoff for low water levels. The diffuser fits most USB-powered settings, spill-proof for safety. LED safety flare lights appear as vital emergency signaling devices. They consist of 3 disc-shaped units, each equipped with high-intensity LED beads. The flares are powered by 3 8-mAh batteries per unit for reliable operation. They are deployed using a magnetic base or hook, remaining secure on vehicles or ground surfaces. Activation is intuitive, managed by a button, cycling through 9 flashing modes. Each flare maintains a compact profile, unobtrusive in storage bags or trunks. The LEDs emit 360-degree light visible up to 1 mile at night, including fast flash, SOS, and white light modes. The signaling range covers maritime and road emergencies, camping, and hiking. The kit suits cars, trucks, boats, and bikes with a storage bag included. Memory foam office chair. Seat cushion emerges as a premium comfort enhancer. It comprises a single cushion crafted from 100% pure memory foam with a breathable zippered cover. The cushion is secured using a non-slip rubber bottom for stable placement. It is positioned on chairs, maintaining firmness during use. Application is intuitive, managed by placing on any seat surface. The cushion maintains a compact profile, unobtrusive in various settings. Its ergonomic U-shaped design supports the coccyx, relieving hip pressure with body heat-responsive foam. The coverage spans office chairs, car seats, wheelchairs, and bleachers with a washable cover and carry handle. The cushion fits diverse chairs, certified safe with no additives. JB Weld Original Epoxy emerges as a robust bonding solution. It comprises a 2-part epoxy system formulated with steel-reinforced resin and hardener. The adhesive is mixed at a 1:1 ratio for application. It is applied by spreading onto surfaces, adhering securely after setting. Operation is intuitive, managed by mixing and applying with provided tools. The epoxy maintains a low profile, unobtrusive on bonded surfaces. It forms a bond stronger than steel with 5020 psi tensile strength, curing dark gray in 15-24 hours. The bonding range spans metal, plastic, wood, concrete, ceramic, and fiberglass, withstanding 550-degree V and resisting water, petroleum, chemicals, and acids. The epoxy suits automotive, marine, in household repairs, allowing drilling, sanding, and painting.